tell you a little bit about fresh pasta. So here we have fresh pasta noodles. You can see that they're pliable, they're not dry. These are the same types of noodles that you would buy later dried out that take longer to cook. The fresh ones though, they cook in just a couple of minutes. So this particular thicker fettuccine noodle that I just showed you says it takes 3 to 4 minutes to cook. So the main thing to know about fresh pasta is just do not overcook it. We can always cook it a little longer with a little more water in the pan with the seasoning ingredients, but you can't uncook it, and it's totally inedible if it becomes mushy. So I have my pot of water at a rolling boil. I don't have quite a full pound of fresh pasta, so it's okay if there's a little bit less than a gallon of water, but as I've been showing you, there's about a tablespoon of salt to about a gallon of water, about 4 liters of water. And then one step you want to do before you toss it in is if you kind of shake the pasta, the excess flour that was preventing it from sticking together will go to the bottom of the container. You don't want to put that in there, it'll make a starchy mess in the water. Right. We want to get it boiling again because we don't have much time that we're going to spend cooking this. And I'll set my timer. And this one said 3 to 4 minutes, so I'm going to set mine for 3 and probably stop a little early. All right, so this is about done. I'm going to test it. And again, I want it to be a little underdone. Oop, these are really long, long noodles. All right, so I'll just bite. It's a little starchy, but it's actually what we want. And then I'm going to save a little bit of that pasta water also for the sauce. So like I mentioned, the oil-based sauces are not all oil. It's usually a mix of oil and pasta boiling water. And I should mention, one of the reasons that I'm using fresh pasta here, besides just demonstrating a way to cook another type of pasta, is that, having sauces that are more subtle, where, there's not tons and tons of different flavoring ingredients, is a really nice pairing with the fresh pasta, because then you actually get to really appreciate the flavor of that fresh pasta.